Hey guys, I'm super excited to share with you how I renovate my mom's kitchen on a budget for less than $500. I took this picture before I started with the renovation so you guys can see how the kitchen used to look like before. First, I started by painting the kitchen cabinets. I removed all the doors and prepared the frames for the new paint. I decided to use a paint sprayer to paint the kitchen's cabinets door for a more professional and smooth finish. We also replaced the visible hinges for soft close. This gives the kitchen cabinets door a more modern look. For the floors, I used Floor Pots vinyl tiles. This was my favorite project to do because it was super easy and the floors look amazing. We also added soft white tiles. This was my first time doing this project. I never done it before. It was super easy and fun to do it. My husband helped me with this project. We did it in one day. It was very fun. For the countertops, I use marble contact paper. I bought it from Amazon. I love the quality of this paper and it looks great. We also added lead lining for under the cabinets. I bought it from Amazon and I will share all the items that I use to renovate this kitchen under this video. I choose this gold color because it goes great with the white cabinets in the top and the navy blue cabinets in the bottom. My mom loved her new kitchen. She was in love with every little detail. She liked everything, and I hope you guys like it too. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.